Calibrating the ribbon and media sensors on the ZT230. If the printer fails to detect the size of the media correctly, you may have to manually calibrate the ribbon and media sensors. Press the Home key. Press right arrow key to move to the Tools icon. Press OK. Press right arrow key until you get to Media Ribbon Calibration. Press Start. Pull media out and remove about 6 inches or 150 millimeters of labels from the liner. Rotate the gold printhead lever up to open the printhead. Roll media back into the printer so that only the backing is between the media sensors. Move ribbon to the right away from the sensors. Close the printhead. Press pause to begin media calibration. The display shows calibrating, please wait. Wait until process is complete and the display changes to reload all. Open the printhead. Straighten the ribbon. Turn ribbon spindle to the right to remove ribbon slack. Pull the media forward until a label is positioned under the media sensor. Close the printhead. Press pause. Press Home twice. Press pause to enable printing. The printer is ready to print.